Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you saw us last week, you saw us do our shakedown run. Successful, we're loving it. We're back out again this weekend. See the tent behind us? That belongs to our friends over at Kuehl Kuest. Make sure you check these guys out. We're all packing up right now. We're gonna go ride the boat that takes us under the Mackinac Bridge, and we're gonna head out to Mackinac Island today. Stick around. We're getting ready to get on the boat here at Starline to head out to Mackinac Island. Here with our friends Jonny and Colleen from Kuehl Kuest, and just waiting for the boat to get here so we can load up and head out on the island. Alright, Colleen took us to the wrong damn dock.
So I misread the tickets, but you know, I didn't like dock 1 anyways. I think dock 3 is going to be way better, Pete, okay?
I don't know, that lady with the crazy hat was pretty cool though.
Oh yeah, I like that it's a crazy hat day. I think it's really fun for sure.
So we went to dock 1 and didn't notice the small print that said to go to dock 3 for the boat that we went on.
Yeah.
So we're heading down to dock 3 now.
Yeah, because that's the boat that goes under the bridge. So I'm excited for that.
Right on.
It's going to be fun.
Alright, we're here at dock 3. We're going to give this another try. I think we're at the right place now.
Pete!
Hey, we're in Lake Michigan. Underneath the bridge, that section is what they call the Straits. And the Straits are what connect Lake Michigan to Lake Huron. We're just arriving at Mackinac Island. All the deliveries are done by horse and trailer. You can rent a horse to ride. We're gonna rent a tandem bike. So we're at the bike rental right now. And Jonny and Colleen from Kuehl Kuest, they brought their own bikes out. Lisa and I are gonna rent a tandem bike. This place we might have to check out later today.
Awesome, all right.
Alright, so after a little bathroom break, we're getting ready to head up into the interior of the island. Every time we've ever come out, we've stayed right in town on the edge and then rode the perimeter road that goes around the outer edge of the island. So this will be our first time going inland. Alright, so going inland is pretty much all uphill. We haven't ridden bikes in a while. Haven't exercised in a while. We're a little tired. Lisa and I are, Jonny and Colleen are pedaling away. Me and Lisa are pushing our bikes up these freaking hills. But it was really pretty inland, so more uphill before the eventual downhill. But the interior of the island is beautiful. So
It is really pretty.
Beautiful canopy.
Yeah, and that's actually quite nice.
Definitely recommend it. The girl's getting comfortable going up the big hill. That's how I roll. Make her push. Until she sees this video and smacks me. I was pushing most of the way. You can take the guided tours.
And then a tennis court out in the middle of nowhere.
I like the canopy with the cedar.
Got it. Go, go, go.
Mind pushing me down this hill? I'm really tired.
I might take your bike.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Another sharp curve.
Tail of the dragon.
Probably not.
The sun's bright, but here's the arch. All right, this is the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island. We're gonna go do the tour. I don't know if they're gonna let us take pictures inside or not, so just want to get this part of the video. This place is huge, beautiful, historic, so like I said, we're gonna do the tour. If I can get some video in there, I will. Otherwise, this is what you get. Alright, we're taking a little break from the tour. Grab yourself some drinks, enjoying the view on the porch out here at the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island.
We were swimming in the water yesterday. My feet are wet.
How's the water, baby? Is it? I got my shoes and socks on, so I'm not going into it, but... Alright, so we woke up to a little rain this morning, packed up the tent and everything. But overall, yeah, overall great weekend. Thanks for inviting us along.
Oh,
You're very welcome.
So,
I'm so happy.
To lead up to this, Lisa and I were really having trouble finding a campsite and it just wasn't working out. And then Jonny and Colleen had a cancellation, called us up, and we were obviously able to fill it.
Amazing.
And worked out great for us, and hopefully you guys.
It was a win-win. It was a win-win
We had
for
a great
everybody.
time.
We did too. It was amazing.
Beautiful weather, awesome day yesterday.
Yeah, that day on the island was awesome.
Thank
so
you. It's always a pleasure.
It's
hanging with
been
our
way
level.
too long since we've been on
yeah,
the
yeah,
camp.
we were
Thank
saying
you.
it'd been a year since we actually got out and did something together.
I know. It's
So-
crazy. I know. I don't like it. Anyways,
Too long. But yeah, great weekend.
There is not enough weekends in the year.
that's
Right.
true.
Right.
Yep.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anytime, buddy.
Here's the soaking wet trailer tent, but that worked out awesome. Awesome week on Kuehl Kuest again. I'll link their site below, so check them out as well. They've got a great channel. They're awesome people. Meet them if you can. Thanks for watching.
Peace out, Cub Scouts.